Hey guys, in this video I just want to record and share this case study on how I earned my $40 commission on Warrior Plus. And to be honest guys, I don't really want to, upload this on YouTube, but because I really wanted to help you guys out, also makes money online. That is why I decided to record this case study so you guys can see exactly, how to really make money even if you don't have resources. You don't have money for paid ads, you don't have email lists, you don't have email subscribers, you don't have buyer subscribers, and you can still this you can still make this works. You can still make money if you don't even if you don't have nothing at all, right? And I test this method out for like 2 weeks, right? For like 2 weeks with no result until yesterday. I got 5 sales doing this method without paid ads, right? Without any resources at all, without website, without page builders, without bonus pages, or any mumbo jumbo stuff that other affiliates or other gurus are, teaching you guys to make money online. And this proves, guys, that this method really works, and you can also do this, even if you don't have any resources at all. And that is why I record this video so I can help you guys out when it comes to really make money online. But because I'm gonna reveal to you this, one thing that you need to do to really make money online, even if you don't have any resources at all. Because these marketers right here that are, launching product on JB on Manchai or JBZoo or Warrior Plus, they don't really, they don't have a plan on helping you guys out, right? What they really wanted you to do is to just buy and buy their products and courses without really helping you guys out. That is why in this video I'm going to show you exactly, this one thing, guys, that you need to do. I'm going to show you exactly what traffic I use, what method I use to, to make, a result. But even if I show you this method, if you don't take action, guys, you cannot you cannot really make money. You cannot see result if you don't take action. So one of the most important here is to take action, right? It's just, this video or this case study right here is just a tool for you guys to see or to know that you don't really need those fancy website, those fancy. Yes, it is good that you have those, things, but you actually don't really need those to make money. It's all about positioning yourself, you know to make money. Because in online marketing world, guys, there is only two things, right? There are only two things in this online, journey in making money online, right? You can be a producer and you can be a consumer, and you choose which one are you. Are you a producer who sells product, or are you a consumer who buys product? And I need you to think of it, guys. I need you to realize that one thing, right? If you really want to make money online, you basically need to be a producer or a seller, not a consumer or a buyer, right? And I record this video so you guys can really understand how this online business works, how this online many money making works, right? Because these other marketers right here, they don't have an interest, on really helping you guys out. Because as I said, what they're really trying to do is to sell and sell their products for you guys to buy and buy and buy and buy and buy, and they're making money because they're selling products. And this is where these marketers are, proving themselves that they are producer. They're not consumer, they are producer. They are content producer, they are courses producer, they're product producer. you know they don't buy products, they actually sell products. And that is the one thing that I need you guys to realize, right now. Right, so this method that I'm going to show you in this video, you don't really need any resources for this. You don't need a website, you don't need YouTube you don't need a paid ads, you don't need you know any of those mumbo jumbo stuff. And you can really start this if you don't have money to get started, just like I do. I don't really have the kind of money to invest all of those things, all of those mumbo jumbo stuff. But it's not bad to have those things because we really need those things to you know to make ourselves stand out from the crowd. But when it comes to if you're starting out, you don't have you know don't make excuses. you know don't make those as excuses if that is why you don't take action, right? It's all about taking action, and if you take action you get result, right? Now I'm gonna show you my dashboard right here, guys, so you can see that I test this method out. And see this right here, I test this method like for 2 weeks and I send free traffic. See this right here. um, but there are other days that you cannot see here, but this is method for like 2 weeks and I got no result. And until yesterday I got 5 sales with 11 clicks right here. And these are free traffic. I don't pay for ads because I cannot pay for ads for this, right? And you guys can also use this tactic or method to start making money online as soon as possible, right? Now, so basically, guys, right, let's cut to the chase and let's go directly to how to make this works, right? So basically, there's a website called Manchai, and these are products. These marketers are launching products on JBZoo and Warrior Plus and Clickbank, and you're gonna see the dates right here, and what is the name of the products, and what are the who's the seller, and we're gonna actually see the commission percentage and price of this product. Now what I really wanted you to do, guys, is I really wanted you to be a content producer or a seller or a producer, not a consumer, right? Because that's how uh, making money online works, right? If you don't produce content, if you don't sell products, you cannot really make money. Because if you just buy and buy, buying and buying products, you cannot really make money. I really wanted you guys to start taking action and produce content, just like what I'm doing, and you're gonna see uh, to my channel that I produce content each and every day. And once I do this, guys, I start seeing results, right? And if you take a look at my channel, uh, guys, I just started like hey guys, and this a month ago, and you're gonna see that my videos or my channel is growing because I take action, because I flip the script. And once you flip the script, guys, you're gonna see results coming in, right? So that is what I really wanted you to do, to become a content producer, not a consumer. All right, so basically, guys, this method is all about launch jacking, and I'm sure you guys already know about launch jacking. Basically means you're gonna see all the products that are launching. You can see the dates right here, and you'll learn more about this product by clicking on clicking on the product page, and you're gonna see all the information about this, and what are the how much you can earn with this product. And if we take a look at the JB page right here, so you basically see all the information about the products that they are launching on that day. And basically you need to promote this product for you guys to make money, not to buy this product, right? So I want you guys to start creating content and promote products as an affiliate, right? So yeah, it doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't really matter, guys, what products you're trying to promote, right? Because if you're just starting out, you just really wanted to test things out, things you know to test things out and to not copy what everyone else is doing. Because if you take a look at other marketers right here that are making reviews online about these products that are launching on JBZoo, um, they're almost the same. They're almost the same. They almost produce the same style of creating their videos, right? But you cannot really make money with those style because you're copying the style of others. What I really want you to guys is to to start finding your style and start producing content and start you know you know producing content that can really actually make money, can really help people to make money online, right? You don't want to produce content or garbage content, right? because you know because I promise you guys to help you guys out when it comes to really make money online. And basically, you can start doing this with even if you don't have resources, right? So basically, promote products from muncheye.com, and you know pick products, the one that you promote, and you can see all the dates coming in. And basically, guys, create review videos, right? See this right here. See my videos. I create review videos each and every day, and what that's my main traffic source when it comes promoting products on Manchai. And I get sales for like yesterday I got 5 sales, and this is just a start, right? So I really wanted you guys to start doing this, right? And you can see some examples of my videos right here. I don't really want to get too much into this, but this is just a rough case study. If you really wanted to go beyond with this method, you can email me and I can help you guys out in a one-on-one live session where I can explain to you every detail of the step of the of this method and how really it works. But basically, guys, uh, I just really wanted you guys to to produce content, to be a content producer, not a consumer. All right. And promote products on this, but basically you can promote any products. You can go to clickbank and promote product with clickbank and create content pertaining to that products. And you know yeah, so that's basically it. And um, I just use this I just use Google Docs for for my bonus page delivery. You guys don't really need those um, bonus pages that these other marketers are using. Now, if you take a look at other marketers are making reviews online about products on JBC and Warrior Plus, these marketers are using those you know bonus pages because you know um, yes, it's good to have those, but if you're just starting out, you don't have any resources at all, I just use bonus pages right here. If you take a look at this, yes, I don't really want to hide, things about this method because I really wanted to help you guys out. So if you take a look at this, I just use this Google Docs as a bonus page, as a bonus page to my, to the products that I promote. And you can actually start doing this and also use this as, as, as a bonus pages if you wanted to sell products and you wanted to add a bonus page or add bonuses to uh, so you guys can really make money online if because bonuses is one of the things that these people are looking for when it comes to buying products. That is why, because there are many people, or there are many people that are actually really like buying products if they see that you guys give them bonuses. So it's important that you also give them bonuses. But if you don't have products or services, if you don't have products to give, you can actually um, you can actually reach me out, and I'm gonna help you out when it comes to bonuses because I have access to Profit Maximizer. Profit Maximizer is a is a bonus page. Is a bonus page. Is a bonus. Is a is a product that comes with 80 bonuses, and if you really want to, if you want those products to give us bonuses, I can give you access to my account. So can start doing this, and start making reviews and start producing content, right? So that's basically it, guys. Basically, I just promote products, just basically see all the products listed on muncheye.com, and create your content based on the products. And but if you really, because there's a lot of competition, there's a lot of competition when it comes to making reviews, right, online. But if you really wanted to guys to see a step-by-step process on how I do this, because if you upload your videos on YouTube, you cannot really compete with those big affiliates out there, because they have this clever strategy on ranking their videos, and that is why I use also another tactic, another trick to rank my videos, even if it's not at the top, but at least it's on the second, third, or fourth, fifth position, as long as um, these people are looking for reviews online, can actually find my review. That is why I use this strategy to rank my videos as well. And if you really wanted to guys to dive into deep on how to really make this works, what products you should promote, um, what how to rank videos, how to design your videos to be searchable, how to rank videos, because if you just upload videos and you don't really know how to rank your videos, you cannot really make sales, because people that are looking for reviews cannot find your videos, right? And yeah, and just reach me out, guys, if you really wanted to dive into deep into this. So I personally help you guys out. You can email me. I'm gonna put my email down in the description of this video, so you can ask any questions that you may have. So basically, YouTube is the main source, is my main traffic source, right? So these cities right here, see these clicks right here, these are from my main my YouTube channel traffic source. I don't have any traffic source. I just use YouTube for this, traffic source right here. And you guys can, actually start doing this with no investment, with no resources at all. Just basically take action, guys. And it's not instant, because you have to keep, keep motivated, because you cannot see result as fast as 24 hours, right? Because no one is gonna trust you, right? These people that are looking for reviews, uh, they don't really care about you, right? All they care is just the products that they wanted to buy. And that is why you have to give value to them, right? So these people can see that you're really giving value to them, and you really wanted to help these people. That is why it's important that you also understand what actually these people are trying to do, to in order for them to pick you, as to use your link as their, as to make them purchase your link, right? So yeah, basically, guys, I want you guys to produce content, write reviews, and if you really wanted to go deep into this, you can basically reach me out, and we can help each other out, one-on-one live session, and I'll show you exactly how to rank videos, because it's important that you can also rank your videos on Google or YouTube, right? Yeah, so that's basically it, guys, and you'll see that this method works. This actually works even if you don't have any resources at all. Alright, so I think that would be in this video, and if you have any questions about this, just let me know. You can also comment down in the description of this video, so we can answer all the questions that you have. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.